just sort of regarding this piece right now. As we drove back from Seattle to Big Fork this past weekend, we drove past innumerable farms watering, these big machines watering the land, and people working. And it just makes me feel a little sad that we don't really remember where our food source comes from. So I started working on this piece, and it's a work in progress. It's not completely finished. But I imagine the sky feels like a number, and the sun is hot, and the fields are pink and hazy. But anyway, that's how it felt to me, and eventually I'll finish it. But we'll see how it turns out when it's all done.